So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the list of top searches on Google for any country. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here, just simply search for Google Trends. Now, once you do it, just simply search, and here you can see this website, that is Google Trends. Simply open it, and here you can see under this section of Explore, just simply click on Explore, and here you can see you can find out detailed list of top searches for any country. You can simply change the country from here as well. Currently, it is set to worldwide. I can change it to any of the country I want. For example, let's say Albania, or let's say Antarctica, or Armenia, or Australia, or Bangalore, or Belarus. I can select any country I want, and I can get the top searches for that particular country. Here you can see if I select Belgium, I get the list of top searches in Belgium. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.